The second phase of Kuwait's operation to bring back citizens who remained abroad amid the COVID-19 crisis kicked off yesterday. Kuwait Airways and Jazeera Airways aircrafts arrived from Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Riyadh, carrying citizens stranded in different countries around the world.
Also, the air bridge began the repatriation process of thousands of Kuwaitis who have been stranded abroad. The three-phase program is expected to repatriate up to 50,000 Kuwaitis from several countries. More in the following report by Nadia Ali.
The Kuwaiti government began bringing back citizens this week leading up to the holy month of Ramadan. Kuwait Airways operated a total of 12 flights to bring overseas nationals back to the state of Kuwait due to the outbreak of COVID-19 worldwide. The incoming flights, which are part of a 3-day repatriation plan, include 3 from Riyadh, 3 from Manama, 2 from each Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and 1 from each Muscat and Doha. The airline board chairman Yusuf Al Jassim said in a statement, the national carrier stands properly prepared for the grand repatriation process since it has harnessed all its energies to bring in Kuwaiti nationals abroad. He said Kuwait Airways is keen on playing its part in this regard, given that it is the main national carrier of the state. The airline has some 40 flights to run in the first 3 days of the evacuation period. The Kuwaiti cabinet had adopted a phase process to bring back Kuwaiti citizens. The second phase of Kuwait's operation to bring back citizens who remained abroad, which kicked off yesterday, witnessed Kuwait Airways and Al Jazeera Airways aircrafts returning from Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Riyadh. At Kuwait International Airport, Minister of Health Sheikh Dr. Basil Al-Sabah affirmed that personnel were prepared to receive Kuwaiti citizens returning to the homeland. Furthermore, he affirmed the necessity of adherence to health conditions and procedures to ensure the safe return of citizens from abroad. All available resources have been placed at the disposal of the returning citizens, he affirmed, saying that the top health care would be given to those who would be quarantined, warning authorities would not be lenient with anyone who may breach the health precautions during the operation. Meanwhile, a senior Al Jazeera official said that the Kuwait terminal is part of a repatriation plan aiming at bringing back overseas citizens following the outbreak of COVID-19 worldwide. Mani' Al-Mani' added that the airline has put its fleet of 14 planes at the disposal of the Kuwaiti government to bring in Kuwaiti citizens abroad, along with medical supplies needed by the country under these circumstances. Al-Mani' noted that the airline's participation in the repatriation of overseas nationals reflects its commitment as a national carrier and part of efforts to promote the national economy. The Kuwaiti cabinet had adopted a phased process to bring back the Kuwaiti citizens. The plan envisions 5 phases. The first, which started yesterday, will last until Tuesday, covering Kuwaitis who completed medical treatment abroad, along with their companions, also tourists or those who were on official assignments. The second stage covers patients who need medical beds and life support equipment. The third aims to bring back students. The fourth will witness the return of diplomats, and the fifth will return people from other segments of society.
Ministry of Commerce and Industry announced today the closure of one commercial